Buc-ees in Sevierville, Tennessee. We are at Buc-ees and we are going to head in, see how it looks. Fire pits, $4.79. Warriors Don't Cry, Elsa Dutton, 1883. They have all kinds of shirts and stuff in here. This is such a cool place. It's big. Right now, this is the biggest Buc-ees in the USA. They're going to put another one in Texas that'll be bigger than this one, and then go on down to Florida and put an even bigger one there. I'm not even a quarter of the way into the store yet. I'm going to walk back around this direction and see what we see. Just come along with me. Here on my right, there's Buc-ee blankets, also coolers. They have books. There's the Duke. They have body washes, lotions, all kinds of fragrances. On the left, they have plaques to hang on the wall. Here on the right, you see wind chimes. If you're looking for a gift for someone, I'm sure you would find something here for just about everyone. Up ahead here we have cutting boards. They're going to be guitar-shaped cutting boards, Tennessee shaped, US shaped. All kinds of kitchen items and gadgets and things to take back as souvenirs. There's pot scrubbers. We got a hot pepper, got cowboy boots, a pig's head, here on the right we have Lodge ironware, then here we have marble slabs to put on your kitchen countertop. I'm about halfway through the store. You can see the front door down there at the other end. I'm going to walk back that way. Here close to the front they have swimwear, swim trunks, caps, bucket hats. This is the camping section. On the left here they have t-shirts. Here on the right they have barbecue pit or grills, smokers. On the wall they have bag coolers. Here on the left more coolers. Here we are in the pet section. We have collapsible bowls and things for your pets. We have a wall of jerky. This is a Buc-ees jerky. Then right on further is the restrooms. They're very neat and clean. We have a sweet place here that has fudge and sweet rolls and fried pies. Here on the right we have Buc-ee tumblers and things. They also have little trays you can purchase to sit and watch TV, put snacks in. It'll hold a drink. Here in front of me there is a order station. That's for you to order your burgers and your tacos the way you like them. You can also just go over here to the meat part of the store and get pulled pork, brisket, pulled chicken, turkey, sandwiches, burritos or tacos. Look at the meat they have piled on that brisket sandwich. I had a brisket sandwich 2 days ago, and they are really good. They have a bakery. They sell kolaches, sweet rolls, muffins. Here in this section is their cheeses. They have sandwiches. They have cups of pudding. They have fruit cups. I'm going to grab me a sandwich, and I think I'm going to grab a pistachio pudding. And they have salads already made up that you can purchase. They have utensils right there that are plastic that you can grab. We have a thing of fudge there here on the left. This is going to be chips, jerky, different kind of snack foods. Your chips, they're kind of like ring chips. I think I'm going to grab a barbecue one. We have candy there on the left. There we have the coffee bar ahead of me. There's a little island where they have milk and stuff for you to fix your coffee the way you like it. We have cases of water, sodas there, all kinds of drinks. Then straight ahead we have a cooler with cold bottle drinks. This Buc-ees also sells beer. This is a big place. I'm at the complete opposite end of where I came in. There's a door right there, and down on the other end where I come in is the door. Here we have Buc-ee nuggets. This is different bagged. It's kind of like a puff corn. They have caramel and sea salt. They have cinnamon. They have just plain. And I think there's other flavors too. I don't remember all the flavors they had. We're going to head out now.